Hey guys, today I go to the Huawei offline store and now I'm going to bring you the new and very special smartwatch for keys. So this is the Huawei 5XPro key smartwatch, and the biggest features about this device, about this smartwatch, is get a dual screen, and you can switch it and you can choose the screen you like, and one is AMOLED and one is LCD. This time for RAM and ROM is 1GB RAM plus 160GB ROM, and support Android 6 and 4G O band. And for the OLED is 1.6-inch AMOLED screen, and also it get a 1.52 LCD. For the main one is 320 and 36x0 display resolution, and also the camera is get a dual camera solutions, front 5 megapixel and the rear 8 megapixel. Also it supports GPS, Galileo, Beidou, GLONASS, and QZSS, so it's get a precise location positioning, and also support the Xiaodu AI assistant. So here is the camera. Okay, it's easy. You can swipe to switch it from the rear and the front, from front and rear. Okay, it's very easy. You just can swipe it, and here more information about the smartwatch. Here is the key.
The new smartwatch.
Power button key.
The keys.
Speaker.
Huawei.
And smartwatch band.
Very cool.
And it's the red color with black color. I think it's red color with a classical
SIM card.
combination about the product design with these two colors. And also this time for this smartwatch is powered by 800 mAh battery, and normally you use it for 2 days. If you turn on the super battery safe mode, you can use it for 5 days. And for the charging, normally 1 hour and 30 minutes you can get fully charged, and 20 minutes you get 60% charge in battery. And also for this SIM card, it's support mechanical connection, charging, and I will be trying to test the camera, of the device. And at the end of the video, I will put more pictures about the watch so you can enjoy it. So what do you think of such dual screen key smartwatch in the market? It's very unique, and I think it's a very special design, and actually personally I like it. You can choose the AMOLED or LCD. If the parent can control it, that will be better. Okay, let's enjoy more pictures.